everyone.
Today we're going to make some baked eggs with beef and bell peppers.
Let us start by marinating a half cup of diced beef with 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon each of sugar, chicken powder, and cornstarch, dashes of ground white pepper, a pinch or two of salt, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. We are also going to need add the sliced vegetables, and season with just a small amount of salt. Crack 6 medium-sized eggs into a bowl. Season lightly with salt and ground white pepper. We are also going to add 3 tablespoons of water. Add half of the grated cheese to the beef mixture. Then mix in the beaten eggs. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.